Happy Wednesday, Greg at GO-AUTOWORKS. I figured I'd stop and do a quick walkthrough or how-to on how to do one of these merge pipes for a twin turbo setup. This particular piece is going to be front and center of the engine bay, and the customer brought me this piece along with a box of bends, which he decided wanted me to do it to make it look better and be a better fit. This little piece is fine, but it's just too short and would require too many couplers and bends. So I'm going to make it out of one of the 180s that he brought in the box. So what you basically do is take the 180 and you find your two center line points. Center line is split it into two 90s, and the other center line will be their opposite direction across the pipe. So that's where you're going to make your two cuts. So find the center point. I can freehand these because I've done it a bunch of times. But I'll grab the ruler, get a straight line for right here. That'll be the first cut. Then after I do that one cut, I'll take it and cut the two pieces in half. So again, it's just two cuts. If you get the cut straight on the first shot, then you're doing well, and it should go together with a seamless transition to make that same Y pipe and have the longer legs that you need. So again, cut one, cut two, flip the pipes, and you should be good to go. But first, I got to knock some of the shine off these pipes. They're too shiny for me. So I'll Scotch-Brite them and get kind of dull them down some. But you can see right here, made the lines, made the cut. That's the first cut. You'll discard this piece. You don't need it. Then I cut it in half. So now you have the two pieces to build this one short piece. Take them, rotate them, and boom, you got your Y pipe. After this, you see the small pieces also stepped up to 3-inch. So I went to the shelf, I grabbed a aluminum vibrant 3-inch transition, which I try to keep one of these for every twin turbo setup we do because you'll eventually have to merge it to a bigger pipe. So we're going from 2.5-inch legs to a 3-inch center cone. So that goes just like that, straight together. So I'll weld these up or tack them up later once I get it how I want it on the car. But I'll show you a close-up of the inside. When you have the cuts done right, it should go up and butt together well. There's not actually a gap right there. You can see the gaps. I'm trying to hold two pieces with my fingertips. But yeah, once they're together, this will weld up seamlessly and be a very smooth Y transition to connect the two turbos. And it'll step up cleanly into a 3-inch transition where I'll step it up to go to the throttle body. Or that car doesn't actually have a throttle body. It's a carb setup. But anyway, that's a quick bumbled through how to do this. So again, thanks for checking it out.